girl, welcome back for another video. It's your girl. It's your girl Jenja, of course. Welcome back. If you're new here, I make videos around beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of self-development sprinkled here and there. Today's video is going to be about decorating the Christmas tree. I was gonna say decorating the house, but I realized we basically only put up the Christmas tree. I don't know about you, but I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. I just feel like everyone's a little bit happier, a little bit more cheerful. We spread a little bit more love around the holidays. So yeah, I love Christmas. It just really makes me feel all warm and cozy inside. All that to say though, I do feel a little overwhelmed around the holidays because there's always so much to do. I feel like 2021 is basically done, and that really kind of like stresses me out. I need to clean my house. I want to actually declutter my house. My 9 to 5 is busy. My influencer work is busy. I'm doing vlogmas, if you haven't heard, which means I'm uploading a video every single day in December. That's right, and we are going strong, girl. All that to say, you know, creating videos and being an influencer is a lot of work. And some days I'm just like, I don't know if I can do this. What? And other days I'm just like, fuck it all, fuck it all. I'm just gonna put up my Christmas tree. I am going to turn off my notification. I'm not gonna check any emails, and I'm just gonna get it done. And that's what I had to do because I realized, as much as I was thinking about when I'm going to decorate, I was wasting time not decorating. You know what I mean? You feel like you have a lot to do, but you just have to start from step one. Just do one thing. And that one thing for me was putting up the Christmas tree. I actually filmed a little video snippet the other day when I did it, so I'm going to insert footage now. There you are. So we're doing vlogmas again this year. So it's December, what day is it? It's Sunday, November 29th. Is that what? I have my glasses on, girl. It's Sunday, November 28th, and we're going to put up the Christmas tree. And I'm actually very excited. I love Christmas. It's crazy it's taking me that long to put the tree up, but it's because I've been busy. I don't like this angle. Nope, that's worse. I need something under this. It's too low. Why is it so difficult? I swear I know how to do this. Okay, it's probably better. Probably isn't, but it's me being a perfectionist. That's what it is. Christmas tree's going up. Super excited. Super tired. I've been busy. I've been working. I'm a little stressed out because I want to do vlogmas, and today is November 28th and I'm not ready. I'm a little anxious, you know? The reason being is work is busy, life is busy, work as in 9 to 5, and then there is you guys. My business, if you want to call it that. Actually, you know what? Let's call it that. It is my business. Wow. I'm out here building a whole business during a panini, y'all. It's crazy. Today, I took it off. Actually, it's so crazy I'm filming this video because I took it off. I did not work. I woke up at 11 o'clock. I worked out at 3 p.m. It was like a chill tune-out day. I needed it. Mentally, I needed it. So I'm filming this because we're going to put up the tree, and I wanted to film it because I think it's going to be a great vlog at some point during Vlogmas. So I'm doing this for you, but I'm not gonna do much talking, I don't think, because I still want to spend it with Big. You know, he's watching football. It's football Sunday. I swear, as long as I've been with Big, he's always loved football and basketball, but football is like, I still don't know anything about football though. He knows it. We have gotten to a place of understanding. I don't care to know a lot. I'll sit next to you, I'll support and watch, but I don't want to know. It's too much. There's so many rules. I'm too late in the game to start learning about football right now. That's basically what I'm saying. Anyway, girl, you didn't ask for all that, but let us decorate the Christmas tree. Christmas is my favorite ever. I've always loved it. This is why I want to get started early. Not that early, it's already almost December, but I want to get the tree up now because I'm gonna leave it up till March, maybe February, okay? April, maybe, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Few other cute things that I want to put up for the house. I want to put a garland up in the staircase. It's pretty bare over there. Maybe I want to save the money, you know what I mean? But if I find something cute, I'm probably gonna do it. The Christmas tree is up, but the rest of the house has not seen Christmas. Where is the holiday spirit? But it's okay. I feel like I'm in such a great place in my life right now. So let's talk about that for a second. As you guys know, I'm in therapy, which is keyword for crazy in the Haitian community. But it's okay. I'd rather be crazy in peace than be crazy and not have peace, like my community wants me to believe. Anyways, I'm gonna make a whole video later this month about all the things that I've learned in therapy and the things that has been freeing me. But the work that I'm doing right now is making me process and think about things from a different perspective. I see things differently, and I promise you, it's so freeing. Life is busy, like I said earlier. I am feeling pretty overwhelmed with all of the work that I have to do, but beside that, I just feel like I'm exactly where I need to be. Like all the stars has aligned and I am where I need to be in this entire universe. I don't know if that makes sense. As you guys know, I've been online for a really long time, over 10 years, and one of the regrets that I have is not taking social media seriously way back then. I am working on not living with regrets. That is one of the things that I'm working and learning about in therapy. But right now I still feel the emotion. We're working on it though. One thing that hit me recently is the fact that I wasn't in the right state of mind back then to be able to build a business. Being an influencer is building a business, okay? Let's put it out there. People always associate influencing as if it's something that's so easy. You just take a picture here and then post. Yeah, that's part of it, but behind all of this, there's a whole business. And I wasn't in the right state of mind to do that back then. The things that I'm learning now that I can put into practice in my life, in my career, in my business, in my relationship, it's all forcing me to be a better person. And I love that for me. And that mindset is also what's helping me to build this business, because like I said, being an influencer is no joke, and if you're not there mentally, it's going to consume you. I think one of the best joy of growing up is unlearning some of the things that we know and relearning a new way of living. You don't have to be down, you don't have to be angry, you don't have to be frustrated, you don't have to run away from your emotion, from grief, from all of the things that are going on in your life. And I don't say this to be insensitive as to whatever is happening in your life right now. We all have problems and we all have things that are going in our lives that are out of our control. I say this because there is so much in our lives that we can control. What we tend to focus on though is all of the things that we cannot control, and that consumes us. But it doesn't have to be that way. If you're saying to yourself right now, I just don't know how to do things differently. I don't know how to show up in my life with a different outlook. Well, then it's time to unlearn unlearn and relearn new ways. And for me, it started by reading self-development books, and then that also transitioned into therapy. It's amazing what's out there, what's outside of our environment, outside of what we know, outside of how we were brought up. It's amazing. There's so much out there. All that to say, I'm getting all deep for no reason, but all that to say, I feel so at peace with my life. I am at peace with learning new things, and I'm so curious. I want to find out more ways to deal with things. If something is bothering me, my first thought isn't, oh, it's just bothering me, that's just how I am, or whatever. Now it's just like, how can I work on this? How can I make sure it doesn't bother anymore? How can I see it differently? I'm just in a different place right now, and I really love it. I love that I'm investing in Jen. I'm investing in my mental health. I'm investing in my physical health. And I do believe that I'm exactly where I should be and moving on up from here. And I hope the same for you as we move into the holiday season. I hope that you don't focus on what you don't have, but focus on gratitude, focus on the things that you do have. Focus on, you know, all of the love that's around you that we take for granted. Your husband, your kids, immediate family that are around you, we tend to push them away and not realize that they are gone until it's too late. Anyways, I want to leave this video on that note. You know, be grateful, find joy in every single thing that you do, surround yourself with joy. And also be open to learning and doing things differently, because that's how we improve. We're getting all deep for no reason, girl. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Again, a little reminder that we're doing vlogmas, so we're posting every single day in December. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon, I will put the link down below where we have deeper conversations like this, as well as if you want to see my videos before everyone else, then go ahead and click the link down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.